చూసుకోలేదు ఆ కంగారులోనే. Sorry, I'm just starting. Yeah, what's the homework I had given you guys?
So you are given us to do those questions using 8.4.
Yeah, have you done those questions?
So
Yes,
one
sir.
I didn't get.
Sir, I
You
have
didn't
a
get one?
doubt in the 10th
So
one, sir.
fifth question, fifth part.
Fifth part, okay, fine.
So thoda
Yes, sir, same.
Fifth question, is that difficult?
Sir, I got it.
So मैंने किया फिर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा उसमें क्या करना है.
Okay.
Sir, I had doubt. I had also doubt in the question we did yesterday. Just 1 point.
Okay, fine. What's the doubt in that? Fine. Okay, I got it. Yesterday, that cos wala question. You were trying with some other method.
Yes, sir, it was not fruitful. I have the solution. I will discuss what went out.
Fine. Let's complete the first these 6 questions, and then we shall discuss your doubt. Okay.
Sure,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, the fifth question, the fifth part, cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A. Okay, just give me a moment. I'll share the screen. Just give me a moment, guys. Just a second. Yeah, what's the fifth question? It's cos A. Can you guys see the screen?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Cos A
So
minus
cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A.
Okay, fine. We need to prove cosec A plus cot A. Yeah. In the question, I had given you the hint also, right? Haven't you tried that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do one thing. Can I take minus common from this, which will become plus sin A minus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
So is it in the form A minus B upon, suppose if we rationalize the denominator, if we multiply and divide with cos A minus sin A minus 1 plus, no, minus, and again cos A minus sine A minus 1. Can I write like this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So it is cos square A minus sine A minus 1 the whole square. And similarly, no, sorry.
Sir, I did it in a different way, sir.
Cos A minus sine A minus 1 the whole square divided by cos square A minus sine A minus 1 the whole square. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So now if you open up the bracket, what's the value we are getting? If you open up the brackets now, it will be cos square A minus of sine A minus 1 the whole square upon cos square A minus sorry, this will be plus minus 2 cos A 2 cos A into sine A minus 1. If you open up the square, we get this. So in the denominator, it will be cos square A minus sine A minus 1 the whole square. Hello? So now if you open up the brackets again, like cos square A plus sine square A plus 1 minus 2 sine A minus 2 sine A cos A plus 2 cos A. Can I write like this? The numerator. Hello?
Yes.
And when we comes to the denominator, it is cos square A minus, it is sine square A plus 1 minus 2
सर
sine A.
इसमें हम लोग ए इसका माइनस बी इसका नहीं लगा सकते डायरेक्ट
कौन सा?
ए प्लस बी ए माइनस बी
तो a plus b a plus b into a minus b को ही हमने a square minus b square लिखा ना.
अच्छा ओके ओके
So cos square a plus sine square a is 1. Hello? So 1 plus 1 minus 2 sine a minus 2 sine a cos a plus 2 cos a whole divided by. So let's write everything cos square a also in terms of sine square a. So cos square a can be written as 1 minus sine square a minus sine square a minus 1. This one cancelled. So now in the numerator we have 2 minus 2 sine a minus 2 sine a cos a plus 2 cos a divided by 2 sine a. If I take 2 sine a minus 2 sine square a. So from the numerator and the denominator, if you take 2 common, so can I cancel out all the 2's? Hello? So I'll be left with 1 minus sine a. If I take plus cos a common, it will be 1 minus sine a. Right? Hello? So if I take sine a common, it will be 1 minus sine a. Hello?
yes
Can I say this? So now overall, if I take 1 minus sine a common, I am left with 1 plus cos a divided by sine a into 1 minus sine a. So 1 minus sine a, 1 minus sine a cancel. We are left with 1 plus cos a divided by sine a. So now if you open up this denominator, so it will be 1 by sine a plus cos a upon sine a, which is cosec a plus
सर
cos a.
आपको कॉस ए ब्रैकेट 1 माइनस साइन ए के बाद 1 प्लस कॉस ए कैसे मिला
So if this is 1, मान लो if it is multiplied, I have taken 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A common.
अच्छा, oh, okay.
So I'm left with 1 plus cos A.
Okay, sir.
So it is cosec A plus cot A. Is this clear, everybody, from the starting step?
So,
Hello?
yes, sir.
Rest of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So with
Yes.
next sixth question. How many of you have done?
Sir, I have done.
See you now.
I've
सर
done.
हो गया.
Sir,
Sixth में किसी को भी doubt है? Can everybody send your working in the group, like what you have done?
okay. Sir, सर
राइट
मैंने
नाउ
Yeah, right now.
सर मैंने
सर
फिफ्थ वाला
वो स्कैन में टाइम लगता है सर, क्लास के बाद भेज दूं?
Okay. Class के बाद भेज दो. Yeah, what you're saying?
sir I did fifth one with a different method, sir.
Okay, could you explain?
Yes, sir. So first I took the LHS, and then LHS में I divided all the terms by sin A. Then by the identity नहीं, by the formula it will be cos A upon sin A will be cot A. Sir, I'll send you the solution. Then आप
No,
check
no,
कर.
no. You explain. I can understand. Okay.
Yeah, so
Afterwards, what
cos
you
A
have done?
upon sin A. Yeah, cot A minus 1 plus cosec A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Then
Hmm.
I took cot A as common. Then out of the bracket and in the bracket I took cosec square A minus cot square A plus cosec A upon cot A plus cosec square A minus cot square A plus cosec square no, cosec A. And then
एक
cot
second.
A minus.
You're saying that the question is cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1, right? Yeah. This is the question. You're saying you're dividing the numerator and the denominator with sin A, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is cot A minus 1 plus cosec A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Then in the question they have given us that formula. So then from there we can put the value of 1 और फिर 1 का value डालेंगे तो solve हो जाता है.
You mean you want to substitute this formula
Yes, sir. 1 का value लेकर.
in the numerator and the denominator both ways. So you have taken. So what you will take common from this now?
Just a second, sir. I'm reading your. Sir, which step have you written?
This one.
Sir, then I took cot A common
From which part?
from the numerator.
Okay, matlab from these two terms you have
हाँ,
taken
तो
cot
cot
A.
A minus bracket cosec square A minus cot square A bracket close plus cosec A upon cot A plus cosec square A minus cot square A plus cosec A.
So if you're taking cot A from these two terms, it will be 1 plus cot A, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And if you're taking cosec A from this common, that will be, if you take cosec A common, it will be 1 minus cosec A. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So what you are saying apart from this? Okay, again, if you take cot A common, it will be 1 minus cot A. If you take cosec A, it will be 1 minus, sorry, cosec A minus 1.
No, sir. ऐसा थोड़ी.
हाँ तो क्या करना है So how are you taking common? What you are taking common from the this thing?
सर then I'll tell you the next step. मैंने
Yeah,
कैसे
tell.
किया
हाँ बताओ.
तो फिर सर cot a प्लस कोसेक a एक ब्रैकेट में देन माइनस कोसेक a माइनस cot a
Okay,
एंड
like that you have written.
यस सर या फिर कोसेक a प्लस cot a एक ब्रैकेट में अपॉन डिवाइडेड बाय cot a माइनस कोसेक a प्लस 1 फिर कट हो जाता है ब्रैकेट फिर cot a प्लस कोसेक a
Okay.
RHS में इक्वल हो
40 minus cosec A plus cosec square A minus cos square A. मतलब you have written like this.
यस सर ये थोड़ा शॉर्ट मेथड हो सकता है
So cosec A plus cot A plus this is cot A minus cosec A. They are multiplied with cosec A plus cot A. Cot A minus cosec A plus cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A. Okay, from the numerator you have taken cosec A plus cot A common. So now we are left with 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. Right with. So now you have taken cot. Now what you will take common in the denominator?
cot a minus cosec a plus 1 so
Cot.
that is what the denominator I got
No. Second. What you are taking common? तुम वो बताओ. Hello.
एक मिनट सर मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ सर I had taken cot a and cosec a common अलग अलग से
अरे यार तुम अभी तो बोला like you have expanded this and you have taken cosec A plus cot A common. Again you are saying that you have taken अलग अलग.
sir I am not getting how to explain it to you sir
तुमने क्या common लिया वो बताओ ना.
सर एक्चुअली कॉमन तो नहीं आया सर क्योंकि डायरेक्टली डिनोमिनेटर cot a माइनस cosec a प्लस 1 हुआ एंड देन आई
How
कट
you got that cot A minus cosec A plus 1? Could you explain? Directly तुमको कैसे मिला?
सर वो जो डिनोमिनेटर है cot a प्लस cosec स्क्वायर a माइनस cot स्क्वायर a प्लस
Okay.
cosec a
मतलब you haven't substituted the one value here.
yes
मतलब in the numerator only you have substituted that value.
yes
And
सर या हाँ न्यूमरेटर में किया सब्स्टिट्यूट डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं
so like in the first place itself you could have said that, right?
सॉरी सर
That's what I'm thinking. What you will take common in the denominator? Now it will be cosec cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So it will be cosec. It will be cosec A to take this cot A plus cot A minus cosec A into cot A plus cosec A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So we are taking cot A plus cosec A common, so that it will be 1 plus cot A minus cosec A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So this and this are the same. So now we are left with cosec A plus cot A. Yeah,
यस सर
fine. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, or 10th. Anybody has any doubts in the rest questions?
No, sir. Sir, I have doubt in 10th.
Okay. How many of you have doubt in the 10th one? Before 10th, anybody has any doubts?
No, sir, not really.
Tan A plus sin A. Sorry. 1 plus tan A upon 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A equals to 1 minus tan A upon 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus cot A the whole square equals to tan square A.
So can I explain this?
Yeah, go ahead.
So first we'll take the LHS 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A.
1 plus tan square A, okay, 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A, okay.
So then we can write which is equal to 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus 1 upon tan square A, because we know tan square cot square is equal to cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, so we can also write that.
Sir, instead we can directly write sec square A upon cosec square A by the formula, which will be equal to 1 upon cos square A upon 1 upon sin square A.
This is directly tan square A. Can we say that?
Yes, sir.
Jatra,
Yes sir, yes sir.
डायरेक्टली बता सकते हैं ना, मतलब by using
हाँ,
this one.
मैं लंबा वाला मेथड ले.
हाँ, तो तुमने जो यूज किया इट इज लाइक 1 by 1 1 plus 1 upon, तुमने क्या किया उसके बाद?
So 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus 1 upon tan square A.
Okay, let us try your method also. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus 1 upon, okay, next one.
So then we'll take LCM in the denominator.
Okay, 1 plus tan square A plus 1 into tan square A. So it cancels, we are left with tan square A. Good.
Yes sir.
So next one, how can we prove that it is 1 minus tan A is also equals
So
to,
even I've done the same method.
okay, could you explain again?
So it will be 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus 1 upon tan A the whole square,
Okay,
which is equal to 1 minus tan A upon tan A minus 1 upon tan A the whole square. So we can write tan A minus 1 as we can take minus common, so we can write minus bracket 1 minus tan A. So 1 minus tan A. हाँ ठीक है वो भी. So then cut off it tan A. So the minus tan A the whole square is tan square A.
good. Good. Still any more doubts?
No, sir.
Can I give you some questions based on this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, in the question we did yesterday,
Which
mm,
question?
the last question yesterday, 1 minute. It
Could you
is,
quote it?
yeah, sure. Sir, it is tan theta minus tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. is equals to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I understood till sine square theta.
This is the
So a
question,
little
right?
bit down. Yeah. A little bit down.
Hmm.
Yeah, I understood till sine square theta by cos theta. Uh, that part, sine square theta by cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. But sir, what is this plus minus?
माइनस नहीं है वो प्लस ही है.
Acha. And then how did the cos by theta become sine theta minus cos theta instead of cos theta minus sine theta?
Now I have taken minus common here. So that matlab, if I took minus common in the next step, then it is a positive sign, right? Hello?
Hmm.
It is a positive sign. Suppose if I have taken minus common, मतलब इधर plus है. Suppose if I take minus common,
Okay.
then it becomes minus, right?
Yes, sir. Then understood. Then rest of it understood.
Can I give some more questions? That's the question.
I have sent you the answer.
Yeah, it's correct. Correct. Those who have done that, yes, Neelesh, it's correct. You can go ahead with the second one. Are you confirmed with your answer, Nilesh? Yeah, correct.
So I've sent you one answer. Is it correct?
Sir, even I have
Wrong.
said.
Which one, Yashraj, you sent?
Sir, first one.
Yes, it's correct.
Answer is sent for the second one.
It's wrong.
Sir, for the second one, it is cot A, right? In the end.
Yeah, it's cot A.
Sir, I sent the answer for second. Is it correct?
It's correct. Yes, Zoev, your answer is correct. Yes, for the third one, Nilesh, yes, it's correct. Nope. Yeah, fourth answer अभी सही है नीलेश. Yes. Okay. यशराज कौन सा भेजा तुमने?
सर वो सेकंड का था सर, वो बहुत पहले सेंड किया.
हाँ हाँ. हम्म. जयत्रा सही है. Should I explain any question?
So can you tell fourth one?
Everybody got the first, second, third, and fourth? No, the third till third?
Sir, I didn't get second.
You didn't get second.
Sir, I didn't get the third one, sir.
Sir, I'm doing third.
Everybody got the first one? Let
Yes,
me
sir.
explain the first.
Yes, sir.
Zoyab? Yes,
He
Adit,
is not there.
okay. Adit, can you explain me the first one? Adit?
Yes, sir, yes, I'm there. So 1 minute.
Adit?
Yeah, sir, 1 minute. The,
Could you explain me the first part? How to do it?
yeah, sir, I can. Just 1 minute, so there's mic issue.
Sir, can you explain the third one?
Yeah, I'll explain. Okay. Sovit, can you explain the first one?
Uh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, first, what we do is we take sine theta common.
Okay.
Sir, could you show the question, please? It will be better. Huh?
Yeah, it's on the screen.
Sir, your screen is freezed.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we take sine theta common, which will give us 1 minus 2 sine square theta, which will further give, and in the denominator we will take cos theta common, which will give us 2 cos square theta minus 1. And we will evaluate 1 as uh, uh, sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine square theta by uh, 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta minus sin square theta for minus 1, and which is multiplied by sin theta by cos theta, which will be turned into tan theta. So the uh, the denominator and then remainder, the numerator and then denominator will be like tan theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. So we will cut cos square theta minus sin square theta on both sides, and we'll get tan theta remaining. And we know tan theta minus tan theta is 0.
Good. Jatra, can you explain me the second part?
Yes, sir. So, for second part, we can it is cosec A minus sin A multiplied by sec A minus cos A multiplied by tan A minus plus cot A. So we can write in the first one bracket cosec A can be written as 1 upon sin A minus sin A.
एक सेकंड मेरे को क्वेश्चन देखो.
Okay, okay.
Sir,
हाँ,
could you tell me what was the answer of the second one?
second one, it's 1.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. So first bracket, in the first bracket it will be 1 upon sin A minus sin A, then 1 upon cos A minus cos A, and tan A plus cot A. I've done some different method.
okay.
अच्छा नहीं सर sin A upon cos A लिख लीजिए. Sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon sin A.
Okay.
So then we'll take LCM upon sin A, 1 minus cos square A upon cos A, and sin square A plus cos square A upon cos A sin A.
Hmm.
So then we can write 1 minus sin square A as cos square A
Hmm.
into upon sin A upon sin A into cos A into 1 upon cos A sin A. So then we can cut.
So the answer is 1.
Sir,
Yes.
could you tell me where was I wrong? I will tell you the steps.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I took cosec A minus sin A as cosec A minus 1 by cosec A, and
Okay.
sec A minus cos A as sec A minus 1 by sec A,
Hmm.
and then tan A plus cot A as tan A plus 1 by tan A.
Okay.
Then accordingly it becomes cosec square A minus 1
Hmm.
into sec square A minus 1
Hmm.
into tan square A plus 1,
Hmm.
and cosec square A minus 1 is cot square A,
Hmm.
and sec square A minus 1 is tan square A,
Hmm.
and tan square A plus 1 is sec square A.
What happened about the denominators?
So it got multiplied, no? Sir, I turned them, no? Like, acha, okay, yeah, I got it.
Right?
Yeah, I got it. Yes, I got it.
Yeah. Third one, anybody has any doubt?
Yes, sir. Can you solve it, please?
Can you cot A minus cos A? Have you written the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you repeat the question? Tell me the question.
Yes, sir. Cot A minus cos A
Hmm.
upon cot A plus cos A
Okay.
minus cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1.
Hmm. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
So now if I take the LCM,
Sir,
what will
shouldn't
I?
it be plus in the denominator?
सर इससे एक इजी वे है.
एक second. Sir.
Okay.
Sir, SA is sin A, right?
Yeah, S is sin. So both the denominators are cut. 1 minus sin A and this is also cut. 1 minus sin A upon 1 plus sin A minus 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. Understood?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So can I tell now?
Yeah, yeah.
So instead of converting both, I've just converted cot A in the first part. So cot A and the second one I've left as it is. So cot
Ah,
A can be written as cos A upon sin A minus cos A. So we can take cos A common.
yeah,
फिर
we can do that.
उसमें नीचे होके वो कट हो जाएगा फिर उसमें आ जाएगा.
Yeah, we can do that also. So, so Jaitra ने जो method बोला है, so it is cos A upon sin A minus cos A divided by cos A upon sin A plus cos A minus cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. So if you have taken cos A common, it will be 1 upon sin A minus 1 divided by, if you take cos A common, it will be 1 upon sin A plus 1 minus cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. So cos cancel. So same thing. Cos 1 upon sin A is cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1 minus cosec A minus 1 divided by cosec A plus 1. Everybody understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, could you give some time for the fourth and the fifth one?
Yeah, sure. Take your time.
Sir, is it correct of what I've sent?
Fourth one,
Yes, sir.
no, wrong.
Sir, I sent for the fourth one. Is it correct?
Wait a second. Sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. 1 second. Yeah, it's correct.
Sir, for whom?
Yeah, both of you. Sovit and Yash Raj.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fifth I'll explain. Fourth is correct. Yatra. Okay, fine.
Sir, can you explain the fifth one, sir?
So everybody done till the fourth one? Hello?
Yes.
So, yeah. Can anybody read the question once for me? For the first one. Cosecant A minus cot A.
The whole square into 1 plus cos theta cos A by 1 minus uh, cos A. Yeah. So I just wanted to ask something.
Yeah.
Sir, in this question, I'm getting in 1 plus cos theta the whole square by 1 minus cos theta the whole square.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, how do I proceed?
Cosecant A minus cot A. Okay. So it will be 1 upon sin A. minus cos A upon sin A the whole square into 1 plus cos A multiplied with 1 minus cos A. Can I write like this? So this is sin A the whole square by 1 minus cos A the whole square into 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A cancelled. So it is 1
Sir,
minus.
could you repeat what did you just say?
I just cancelled the 1 minus cos A and the square.
Okay, okay.
So it will be 1 minus cos square A divided by sin square A. What is 1 minus cos square A? Sin square A divided by sin square A. Cancel, which is 1. Hello?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Understood everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let's end the class here. I'll send you a worksheet based on this concept, matlab the identities and the complementary angles and everything. So I'll roughly give you some 15 questions as a homework. I want everybody to solve those questions by the next class.
So next Tuesday.
By the next Tuesday. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
15 to 20 questions I'll give you. Please try them. And I guess there shouldn't be any doubts because you have done enough practice. But if you guys are stuck at any point in the class or anywhere, uh, you can ask me anytime. That's not a problem.
Okay.
And one more thing, I want everybody, whatever you have done in the notes in the class till date, in today's class, I want the picture of those in the group. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Please don't forget to send the pictures. I want it as soon as possible. Okay. So, bye guys. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Okay,
Bye,
sir,
Bye,
sir.
bye.
sir.
Bye bye.
Sir, but some are incomplete. Is that fine?
Yeah, it's okay. Fine. I just want to check whether you have written any notes or not.
Yes, sir, but some are incomplete. I've not written the answers.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye
Thank you,
bye.
sir.
I'll share the notes anyways. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. But I want the notes before 4 o'clock or 4:30 only. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.